How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Drive MX5 channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this by installing a simple DRL harness from MX5things. Let's go ahead and get started with the installation, starting with the tools you're gonna need. So for this job, all we're gonna need is a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a work light. Makes this process a lot easier. Go ahead and move this seat all the way back. This is on the driver's side. If you have a right-hand drive vehicle, you'll be on the passenger side for this installation. And go ahead and remove the floor mat. That makes it easier as well. This should only take 5 to 10 minutes depending on how flexible you are and how good you are with the tools. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and remove this door sill right here, and then we will remove this panel right here containing the fuse box, or one of the fuse boxes. So it's got one little plastic rivet right here. We just take our flathead screwdriver and pop that right out, and then we'll remove this rubber seal as well. Just makes it easier to get this little plate out. So right here behind this metal cover is the box for controlling the DRLs. And this box is what we're going to plug the harness into. This is all plug and play. It has two 10mm nuts on it. One is right there. Another one is behind the carpet right here. But behind the carpet is this styrofoam block, which the lower nut is behind that. Now I kind of manhandled this all out here and I ended up breaking the styrofoam block. In hindsight, what you probably need to do is remove this little clip right here with the Phillips head screwdriver, and that'll allow you to pull the carpet back more and hopefully get that styrofoam block out of the way without breaking it. But if you do break it, it will still be held in place by the carpet, so no need to worry about any repercussions from breaking that styrofoam. The trick with these is to pry up underneath while unscrewing the middle portion. These things are a pain, but once you get it, it's not too bad. Go ahead and try to pry it out. There we go. And then the last thing to remove this carpet, you'll see these two little covers here. We're just going to use the flathead screwdriver to pry these out. And we'll have to do this to kind of move this throttle pedal out of the way. We got two 10mm bolts. We'll take these out as well. We move the throttle pedal out of the way, and that'll allow us to peel the carpet back to get access to that cover. And so see, this is the styrofoam bit here that I broke. Like I said, you don't really, it doesn't really matter if you break it or not. It's not going to hurt anything if it does break, because you can just put it right back. But now with the styrofoam out of the way, we have access to that, not only that top nut right there, but also the bottom one. So go ahead and remove those, and this whole cover panel comes right off. Now with the cover removed, we'll remove this top 10-pin connector right here, and then simply plug the new DRL harness into the wire. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. And then plug it back into that box right there, and then go ahead and turn the lights on and confirm that it works. Now the DRLs will stay on while the headlights are on, and obviously turn off while the headlights are off. And this one does not have the brightness control, which at first I was worried would be a bit bright, but I think it matches the headlights really nicely here. That looks awesome. So now that we know they're working, we'll go ahead and put all this back in the same order that we took it out. And that's how you install the DRL harness by MX5things. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.